Welcome to another product of the month video, and the product for this month is wire loom tape. Like I said, our product for this month is wire loom slash heat shielding slash fleece tape. I use this in quite a few videos. I'm always using it in different projects and stuff. There are multiple different brands of this that you can get. Most of the time you can tear them, but it's always nice to have a pair of scissors handy because some brands of this tape doesn't like to tear. But a thing to keep in mind is that this tape is not electrical tape. You don't want to use this tape to, insulate your electrical connections. If you're going to use tape to insulate your connectors or connections, use heat shrink or use your electrical tape. And then when you go to contain all of your wires in like a harness or something like that, then you come in and use this tape. This is some type of inexpensive kind that came from Amazon. I can't even think of the name of it. The big name brand of this tape is Tesa tape. So a lot of people just call this tape, no matter the brand, they call it Tesa tape. You'll see this a lot on like car audio channels and stuff, or channels that do a lot of electrical wiring for vehicles, because this is, really good to make wiring harnesses and shield them from heat. You'll see this kind of tape in a lot of factory applications. You'll actually see this tape in like Mercedes and BMW, Volkswagen. Even if you have a Jeep and you start looking around in spots in your Wrangler and stuff, you'll actually find this kind of tape from the factory in a few different spots. So it is a factory style tape. Even for the generic stuff, kind of like this, it's still more than $1 a roll. If you go with the big name brand like Tesa tape, you're talking $5 to $6 a roll for that stuff. As much of this as I use, I kind of go with the generic, and it seems to hold up. So that's it for another product of the month video. I try to keep these kind of simple and short, and as the title says, product of the month. These are a monthly video series. I release these every second Sunday of the month. I also have another monthly video series that is monthly tip or trick that comes out every third Friday of the month. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to check out the Rocky X TV Facebook and Patreon pages. And if you came across this and you're not one of my subscribers or you're new to the channel, make sure to go into my channel and check out a couple videos. You can catch up on the other products of the month or monthly tips or tricks, where I have all kinds of different Jeep build videos, all kinds of different stuff in there. So if you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.